Let me show you how to make the most incredibly moist and flavorful shredded chicken using a simple steaming technique that keeps every bite perfectly tender. Place a small bowl upside down in the center of a large plate. Arrange 3 chicken drumsticks around it with a spoon of cooking wine and ginger slices. Steam for 25 minutes. This gentle cooking method preserves all the natural juices. Here's the clever part. The elevated bowl lets the chicken cook evenly while collecting precious chicken broth underneath. Once the timer goes off, keep the heat on for 1 more minute to let the broth fully develop. Carefully remove the chicken and lift away the bowl to reveal this golden liquid gold. Pure concentrated chicken essence. Shred the meat by hand, preserving that perfect texture that machines can never achieve. For the sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder for depth, 1 spoon of soy sauce for richness, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for umami, fresh lemon juice for brightness, and a touch of chili for gentle heat. Toast everything together and watch how the warm chicken absorbs all those incredible flavors. What you get is chicken so moist it practically glistens with layers of flavor that balance savory, tangy, and springy perfectly. This isn't just cooking, it's mastery of simple techniques yielding extraordinary results.